Hi guys, welcome to our channel. In this video, you will learn on how to add baggage in Cebu Pacific even if you don't have an account or you book as a guest. Okay, so the first one that you are going to do here is you just have to visit the Cebu Pacific website. You just have to type it right here, Cebu Pacific. That's right. Okay, so as you can see right here, I have my account. So for example, I'm going to log out. Okay, and then after that you just have to go here to the manage section at the top. So you have this manage booking, so make sure to tap on it. All right, and then you just have to scroll down. Okay, so you just have to type in your details to manage the booking. So all you have to do is to enter the booking reference number and the last name or email used during booking. So this will retrieve your flight details. And then once inside your booking, you just have to look for the add-ons or add upgrade baggage option. And then you just have to click on it and choose how many kilos you want, so like 20 or more depending on your needs. Then after selecting your baggage, you just have to tap on continue and proceed to payment. And you can pay using cards, e-wallets, or other available payment methods. And once the payment is successful, your baggage will be added to your booking and you will receive a confirmation email. And make sure to do this at least 2 hours before your flight because after that, you won't be able to manage your booking online. Also, adding baggage online is much cheaper than paying at the airport. And that's it for this video. If you think this video helped you solve a concern, please subscribe, like this video, and leave a comment below. Bye.